big boy. This one down. Yeah, Connor. A big one. Yeah, Connor. Yeah, just take your time. This is fantastic. It's nice, smooth. Ooh.
Nice fish, Connor.
I'm not even going to touch the leader. You just kind of guide him to me. How about that? Might freak out too once I first touch him.
Guess who else has got a fish?
No, doubles.
You guys. Oh my gosh, they're all big ones too. Nice and easy. Nice and easy. Just bring them here. Alright, I got this one.
Captain.
You want to take the camera?
Yeah, I got it. Yeah, I got
Captain.
Oh yeah.
Look at this big boy.
This one down. That's a good mess right there. That's the kind of chaos we're looking for.
Come on.
it. That was good right there. That was good.
Nice
that
job,
was good.
Captain.
Nice job.
That was good, man.
Yes,
that was
sir.
awesome.
Connor, look at the size of that dude you got.
Yeah.
Nice.
That's a
fish.
big boy right there.
Here, I'll take the.
What a fish, dude.
Yeah, that was the doubles right there.
What
that was
a
it.
fish.
That was it.
What do you think, dude?
That was pretty cool.
How about you get up there with yours, Margo? I'll get a picture
Yeah.
with you guys.
That was
The captain put us on him. Good night.
That is cool. Here, let's turn to the light just a little. Nice job, guys.
Come
Thank you, man.
We're gonna eat.
Man, when he got tired out, just where he came up, just his fins. That was pretty cool.
Just come gliding up. They're one of the coolest fish, these snook are.
I didn't realize they zapped that quick though.
Oh, yeah. All right, bud, you about ready? Yeah, just kind of like back and forth to keep them loose. Get that lactic acid broken up, but you never really want to pull them backwards because that's when they kind of suffocate for a second.
Oh, when you push him backwards?
Yeah.
I didn't realize that.
There, he's about ready.
Like works against their gill.
Cool. Yeah, that's a real one there. Yeah, if you want to hold this, I'll measure him real quick while he's in the water there. He's at least 27.
Come on.
Man.
He's bent, but that top fin's hitting 27 for sure.
I think that first one I hooked, I think it's him right there.
That probably is. It probably is. All right, come on,
That's
buddy.
why he's so tired. He's been hooked 3 times.
What a bite. That was,
That was awesome.
yeah.
He kept pulling too. All right, Bubby.
How cool for a double. I really do think that your fish thrashing in the water
Yeah.
caused the bite.
To freak out a little bit.
Like, well, if he's doing it, it must be safe.
Uh-huh.
Let's eat him.
Oh.
They're fun. For their size, they pull good.
Yeah, they do. Come back around, Captain. There we go.
That's a
Nice
good
jack, huh? He's talking to us.
You want to?
I can clip a picture off the videos.
There you go. gonna get
You put us on it, Captain.
Oh, it's a big old catfish.
Big old silkcat. These things right here will sting you like a wasp.
And we're gonna leave in the water.
Yep. Yep. I understand that completely. The barbs that they have